In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a Roblox user ID number. So you may need to find the ID number if you're using Roblox Studio. Sometimes it will go and ask you for the user ID number to apply certain settings. So to go and find the ID number of a user, you first just need to open up the Roblox website. And it's important that you do this in an internet browser and not the Roblox app. And then all we need to do is go over to the profile of the person that we want to find the ID number of. So I can just click on my own profile in the top right hand side here, or alternatively you can click on the navigation bar, click on friends, and then just go in, select the user that you want to find the ID number of. And now in order to actually get the ID number, you need to come over to the address bar at the top here, and you'll notice this number after the users. So this number here is the ID number, so all we need to do is select it like so. Then you can right click and press copy, and just like that we have now copied the Roblox user ID. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.